Hi, I'm Steve Howe, the President and CEO of Shareable Ink. Shareable Ink is a very different kind of healthcare IT company. We take advantage of enterprise cloud computing technology. What that allows us to do is to help healthcare organizations become electronic without large IT projects and a lot of upfront expense.
One of the things that was critical for us was that we must have a tool that all of our anesthesia providers would be able to use in a friendly manner and in a manner that would not slow them down in the operating room but actually help them proceed forward and get the throughput needed for perioperative success.
We still currently are doing most of our documentation on paper. So we began looking at Shareable Ink, easier to implement, less cost, less time, less personnel costs.
We looked at a lot of different options and a lot of different venues and a lot of different modalities. At the end of the day, Shareable Ink became the cost-affordable, deployable tool that we could use to accomplish everything we needed for our business and clinical objectives.
Our cloud-based approach means that there is no hardware or software required on site. In fact, we're able to deploy Shareable Ink requiring very little in terms of IT resources.
We leverage technologies like digital pens and iPads.
We can immediately export all of our data from our electronic Shareable Ink source directly to our billing company. What we are finding is more accurate, more timely, and more billable services than we experienced before.
I can get specific, discrete usage data on a per patient, per provider level that allows me to start analyzing my own internal benchmarks, looking for outliers, looking for best practices, where we can begin to more effectively and proactively manage the expenses of our medication administration.
The three major benefits that we found that this product instantly gave us was we had a user-friendly interface. We have power of analytics, the ability to take the data and affect daily management decisions. And three, the affordability of this product.
Because we use industry-standard communication protocol, we're able to integrate with many hospital information systems, EHRs, and practice management systems.
Because of the analytics tool, you have the data and you have a meaningful presentation of the data that allows you to affect day-to-day management decisions that affect the overall bottom line of your facility and for your group.